Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to bring you our full review of the Samsung Galaxy Book2 Pro laptop, one of the most stylish and advanced options in the ultra-thin laptop market. The Samsung Galaxy Book2 Pro is a thin and light laptop with a 15.6-inch high-resolution display, ideal for users who value portability and visual quality. Equipped with Intel Core processors, it offers powerful and efficient performance for multitasking and demanding applications. It stands out for its long battery life, allowing extended use without frequent recharging, making it an ideal choice for mobile users. It offers advanced connectivity with USB-C ports and wireless connectivity options, making it easy to connect to devices and networks. In terms of security, the Galaxy Book2 Pro incorporates advanced features to protect user privacy and data, ensuring a secure and reliable computing experience. In short, it combines stylish design, powerful performance, and advanced connectivity and security features, ideal for users looking for efficiency and style in a high-performance laptop. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy Book2 Pro laptop? Have you had a chance to try it out and leave us your comments below? And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech content.